Hi, in this video, let me show you what to do in case you have a black screen on your HP laptop. The screen doesn't want to turn on. You're probably wondering what's happening. So there's a few things we can do, but the easiest thing that works most of the time is to simply unplug the laptop if it was connected to a charger. And once it's unplugged, you're going to find the power button. So on this model, the power button is right over here, but maybe your power button is located on the top row towards the right side. And you're going to press that power button during 30 seconds. Okay, you need to be patient. Keep it pressed 30 seconds. So okay, now the laptop powered on. If it's powering on, great. But I don't expect to have any change at the end of the 30 seconds. So after the time has passed, remove your finger, connect your HP laptop to a power source. So I'll connect the charger over here. And then you're going to press once on the power button during 1 second. 1 second and then release. After doing this, there's a good chance that the startup process will begin and you'll see the HP logo, everything will load and you'll be good to go. Now, a few things that I need to mention in case this didn't work. I always suggest to do what I showed you with everything unplugged. So I removed the charger, but I also removed any USB devices, any HDMI if you have connected. Everything needs to be removed when you're pressing the 30 seconds time on the power button. Otherwise, I hope this was useful. If you have any other tips on how to fix this problem, leave them in the comment section. If this worked, I want to know as well, so tell me if it worked. Subscribe, like, and I will see you in the next video.